Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna make a tutorial how to make a pie chart using a Google Spreadsheet. So, uh, first of all, you need to select what you want to turn into a pie chart. So, I'm gonna choose this chart to make a pie chart. So, you need to select all of this, then click Insert, then click Chart. Okay, this is a chart, but it's not a pie chart, it's a column chart. So the way you want to change it by click the chart type, then choose a pie chart. So uh, it's already turned into a pie chart. Then you can do a lot of things with this chart. For example, you can change the classmate thing. So I'm gonna change it to classmate favorite pets. Okay, so as you can see, there are 27.6% of my classmates who love rabbit. Then there are 37.9% who love cat and 34.5% who love dogs. So you can change the color of the chart thing here. Like I'm gonna choose green. So there's a lot of things you can do here, like distance from center. You can choose it to 25%, so it will look like this. And yeah, you can explore a lot of things here. So that's it. How you change your data to a pie chart. So that's all from me. Thank you.